My name is Elliott Cansfield and my project is about knives as tools in education and how to get young people involved in education. I first started thinking about knives because I've had a deep fascination with knives as tools from a young age, where my grandfather got me involved in collecting knives and using them outdoors to make things. I first started looking into the stigma of knives and how to remove it by tackling issues involving knife crime and involving the knife laws in the UK as well. I started looking at the great outdoors and how knives can be used as tools to help aid in education, as outdoor learning has got a strong connection to health and well-being in young people. I decided to conduct some further research into the topic by using SurveyMonkey. This gave me insights into if people are allowed to use a knife in outdoor education. Did the outdoor education leaders actually allow them to use knives? Do they consider knives as a tool or a weapon, or both? Should there be any educational tools to allow people to be taught how to use knives? And also the general knife laws in the UK, if anyone had any knowledge about them. I also looked into the general age that people were involved in outdoor education and found out a lot of people were involved from the ages of 11 to 16. I then decided to do some material research where I built and designed a knife using various materials. However, I got too involved with this too quickly and ended up going down a hole. This needed to stop, and I needed to take a step back and think more about the user experience of the product. So to help me with this, I spoke to Fraser Bruce about the topic of outdoor education, as he's a trustee for one of the Scottish outdoor-bound trusts, where he gave me insights towards the Scottish Curriculum for Excellence. So I went back to the drawing board and started looking through the Scottish Curriculum for Excellence. I looked at children psychology through outdoor learning, and I also started looking at outward bound trusts such as the John Muir Award and the Duke of Edinburgh. With Polly and my group of 4, we did a post-it note expansion task where we went through our projects and tried to gain further insights of how we could expand our project. This led on nicely to Guru's Day, where I got several insights into the idea of curriculum, kit, projects, tools, learning, experience, and forming new knowledge. After this, I looked further into children exploration kits, Japanese tool rolls, outdoor education adventure packs for young children, and then decided to start drawing ideas together by sketching knife kits and thinking about the safety of how these projects could be employed, which leads me on to my prototype. Within the kit, there will be a book. This book will include all of the information about outdoor education and learning. There will also be a knife, which meets all of the requirements for UK legal carry, a sharpening stone, an oiling kit to help keep the knife in good condition, 2 bits of test wood for the children to practice their new skills. The book will talk about how to do tasks to help maintain your knife, such as one of the most important bits, keeping it sharp. The children will be taken step by step how to properly sharpen a knife. Then they'll be shown how to maintain the knife through oiling the joints and any other moving parts within the knife, such as the backspring. They will then be taught how to do basic cutting tasks, teaching them how to do it safely, such as these V-cuts, which are done cutting away from the body. The book itself will cover many other tasks to do with outdoor learning and education, and to fit in with the Scottish Curriculum for Excellence, all of the tasks will have expansion tasks, such as mathematics, where the children may be taught to put up a structure using a 60-degree angle or a 90-degree angle, and also English tasks, where it teaches you various names of things in the outdoor. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and if you got any questions, please ask away.